Hello, good morning, dear friends. Today I am going to discuss about midbrain और मध्य मस्तिष्क। मानव मस्तिष्क का संरचना एक कंप्यूटर के समान है जो खोपड़ी के अंदर स्थित होता है। ह्यूमन ब्रेन लाइक एज कंप्यूटर situated inside cavity, cranial cavity और skull और brain box. It is covered by meninges, which is made up of 3 layers and filled with fluid which protects from external injury. Human brain divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain और hindbrain, midbrain and forebrain. In previous class we discussed about hindbrain. Today we discuss about the midbrain. Midbrain situated above the pons. Midbrain is situated above the pons and midbrain is short segment of brain stem. ब्रेन स्टेम पोन्स के ऊपर स्थित होता है और ब्रेन स्टेम का एक छोटा भाग है। इट ज्वाइंट्स फोर ब्रेन टू हिंड ब्रेन। मध्य मस्तिष्क अग्र मस्तिष्क और पार्श्व मस्तिष्क को जोड़ता है। इट ज्वाइंट्स फोर ब्रेन टू हिंड ब्रेन। द टू क्रूरा कवर्ड inferiorly and meet at the upper border of pons. The term is crura. The two crura converge inferiorly and meet at the upper border of pons. These crura cerebri form the posterolateral boundary of a fossa called interpeduncular fossa. What is interpeduncular fossa? Interpeduncular fossa is the posterolateral boundary of the midbrain, which is formed by crura cerebri and containing posterior perforated substance. So two terms for posterior perforated substance and interpeduncular fossa. These two terms always asked in examination in form of 1 marks true, false or multiple choice questions. So midbrain joins forebrain to hindbrain. The two crura converge inferiorly and meet at the upper border of pons. These crura cerebri form the posterolateral boundary of a fossa called interpeduncular fossa containing posterior perforated substance. The posterior surface of the midbrain is deeply situated and overlapped by cerebrum. The posterior surface of the midbrain is deeply situated and overlapped by cerebellum. It consists of 4 small swelling called colliculi. It consists of 4 small swelling called colliculi. The midbrain is traversed by a narrow canal, the central aqueduct, and below the fourth ventricle. So, in midbrain, we see or learn about new term fourth ventricle, cerebral aqueduct, colliculi, posterolateral boundary of fossa called interpeduncular fossa, that is interpeduncular fossa, perforated substance. So midbrain ब्रेन का एक सबसे छोटा भाग है जो पोन्स के ऊपर सिचुएटेड है, स्थित है। मध्य मस्तिष्क और मिड ब्रेन फोर ब्रेन और हिंड ब्रेन को ज्वाइन करता है या दोनों के बीच में रहता है। Two crura converge inferiorly and meet at the upper border of pons. Crura form the posterolateral boundary of a fossa called interpeduncular fossa. So this is about midbrain. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.